What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Murder Mystery 3. If you guys don't know Murder Mystery 3, it's kind of like Murder Mystery 2, but it's looking different. It's more different. It's more different than the Murder Mystery 2. I mean, it has different weapons, but it has some same weapons with Murder Mystery 2 and some different weapons with Murder Mystery 2. So it's kind of cool. Anyway, let's start. Oh, I accidentally went into the... Anyway, I got an ice pop weapon and I just need to load. Alright. It's very laggy, guys. Laggy. I don't care. Anyway, we're gonna begin. I have the roach. Do I need the roach? Do I need the roach? Alright, let's go shop. We're gonna go to shop. Alright. Oh, cool. I've been trying to get the chroma blade for many days. I don't know if it's been many days. I think it's not been many days. Because I really want the chroma blade. I need the... Oh, so close to chroma bomba. I need the chroma. Legendary. I literally accidentally didn't get the chroma when I saw them. Please. Land on chroma. Are you kidding me? A common! I literally got common. Are you serious? Oh! My checks. Did I get a my checks? Looks like I didn't. Anyway, let's begin the round. Yep, I have a ice pop sword. And I'm just waiting for my friend to give me free Robux. Because I quit this. Alright. I don't know what to use, but I don't care. I'm gonna use that. Yeah. Alright. So it's the... And I'm gonna go out the chain. Hope he doesn't murder me. I'm just gonna fake him that I died. Oh. Dude, please help me. Help me. No, I'm not the bird. I'm not the bird. No. Stop. I'm not the murderer. Dude, stop. I'm not the murderer. Stop. I'm not the murderer. No. I'm not the murderer. Stop it. I'm not the murderer, okay? I'm just trying to get the chromas. I just need chromas. Almost the matrix. Alright! Another extra. Wow. Nah. You're gonna make me rage quit, guys. Stop! Ombre. What? Never mind. Void's there. That's cool. Chroma blade. I don't like chroma blades or not. I hate chroma blades. Chroma wing chip. What the hell? What is this? Dude, what? I already have a dark matter, right? Wait, did I sell? Wait, I still have a dark matter, right? Yeah. Oh no, I don't. I sold it. I traded it away, I remember. Oh, I remember. I sold it. Oh. Alright. Anyway, I didn't get the purple haze. Get that. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yep. Yeah. Oh no. I think that's the murderer. Oh, that must be the murderer. That must be the murderer. That rainbow guy is a murderer. I know it. I know it. Yep. He's totally. Looks very suspect. He's literally going over there. What's he doing? He's looking very sus. Why is he going over there? I think he's a murderer. Yeah. He's a murderer. Oh my god! I didn't know that. That was murdered that entire time. Please, kill the murderer! I'm gonna help. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you if you die. I will help you if you die to the murderer, Sheriff. Whoever the sheriff, I will help you. Whoever the sheriff and dies as a sheriff, I will help you. Whoa! Killer is not gonna. Nah. No. Get up the tree! Get up the. No. Go behind. Oh no! Oh! Whoa! His name is Jada for JK. What kind of name is that? What's that name? That does not make an. That name does not make any sense, dude. I don't even. I need a. Never mind. Guys, tell me if you got ice pop. Cause I got one with 5 Robux. I have 1 Robux. I only have 1 Robux. My brother has 3 Robux. I don't have much weapons though. And guys, if you want free weapons, make sure you try to follow my profile so you can join my game sometimes. Just ask me for weapons so I can train you. Yeah, I'll give you weapons if you get good stuff. Weapons are very cool. Yeah. Anyway, let's just continue playing. What the? It's like Oh, no! Oh! One. Hold on, you must type it. No one is killing her. Ah! Dude, I need that thing! Can I offer your chroma thing, please? Can I offer your chroma thing, please? Wait, is that chroma thing? I don't know what that is. Alright. Whoa! No way! No way! No way! Okay, I know. Trade me your chroma thing right now. I need it. I need it. Come on. Strawberry ice. Oh, hell no. Oh, what? That was a whole jump scare, dude. Dude. Stop. Stop scaring me. Enough. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. How many lines of legendary does he have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8 lines of... He literally has... What's... Anyway, I need a chroma thing. Who have chroma thing? Trade me. Who have chroma thing? Trade me. Alright, I'm just gonna pretend I don't see the chroma thing on him. Whoever has chroma thing, trade me, please. Whoever have chroma thing, trade me, please. Is he paying attention? Is he gonna trade me? Don't have. And I'm the murderer, guys. I don't. I can't even get it. Right, I'm gonna pretend it. Don't kill me. What is he doing with an ice cream? What are you doing with an ice cream? What are you doing with an ice cream, dude? Who's sheriff? I know murderer. Come. I know murder. Come. Whoever's sheriff. I know murder. Come whoever's sheriff. Your sheriff? Guys, make plan. Cause this like Among Us. Guys, I'm pranking them. Make plan. Cause this like Among Us. Let's make plan. Let's make plan. Alright. If the sheriff comes, guys, come. Let's make a circle for plan. Guys, come, let's make a circle for plan. What? Cow. Stop. Anyway, can I offer Chroma Fang? Anyway, can I offer Chroma Fang? Please! I wanna offer Chroma Fang. Please, I wanna offer Chroma Fang. Please! Dude, you're not even... Come on. Oh. I'm murdered. I'm just gonna kill. I'm murdered. I'm murdered. Lol. Tricked ya, tricked ya. He laughed. Oh my god. Alright guys, I know that he left. He literally left. Alright guys, here's a free code though. The code is pink 337. Remember it. But remember it's all caps letter. Pink 337. Like this. It goes like pink 337. Yep. Already used. I traded it away already. I traded it away because I hate it. I hate the wall. I hate water guns. Because I hate water guns. So I just left it away. Anyway guys, we're gonna use a knife. Like what knife should I use now? What knife should I use? Alright, we're gonna go this. Guys. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe. And make sure you hit the bell and like the video and subscribe. Bye bye.